Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 7 and I will presentation about circuit with proteus aesthetic quadrant. My name is Raihan Akbar and my friend name is Denis and Ismi.
My name is Ismi Rizki.
Topic to discuss: first, measurement objective; second, component use; and third, analysis obtained. First, what is the meaning of measurement objective? Measurement objective is analysis of measurement of power, voltage, and electric current on battery, circuit, and resistor under LED display. Switch. General switch. Function is can disconnect or connect the conducting path in an electrical circuit, interrupting the electric current or diverting it from one conductor to another. Example: lamp and game machine.
Okay guys, 40 segments, MPX1, CA, RGB. 40 segments come another display. Function: display minimal, numerals to more complex. Application: digital clock, electronic meters, basic calculator. 40 segments converting digital signals into a form that can be displayed and understood by the user. Digital signal consisting of 0 means low, or that is not connected to the power cable. Cable to the oscillator, and 1 means high and installed because it is connected to electricity. Consists of 40 segments common another display. Okay, in this part, 5, timer or oscillator. Functions used to provide time delays and oscillators, and as flip-flop angle. Application: step, tone, generator, joystick, and game pedals. How timer 555 works. The first pin 8 connected to VCC, and then pin 2 equal C1, 2, 3, VCC, so pin 3 equal high climb. And then after that, pin 7 equal C1, 1 per 0 VCC, so pin 3 equal low or off, and then pin 6 equal 1. After that, pin 1 equal goes to ground. So pin 4 equal return the process back to the pin. The schematic consists of an IC 555, transistor, and an alcohol capacitor. When the circuit is activated, capacitor C1 starts to charge through R1 or R2. The capacitor fills the charge until the voltage at C1 is more than 2 per 3 VCC. That is, if the working voltage is 5 V. Then the capacitor fills until the voltage is 2 per 3 equal 3.3 volt. When the capacitor is charging, the output pin 3 is high. When the voltage at C1 is less than 3.33 volt. Internal transistor located at pin 7 will be active so that the charge at C1 is discharged to put 7 only through R2. The voltage on C1 is discharged until the value is slightly below 1 per 3 VCC or 1.6. When the capacitor C1 discharges its charge, the output pin 3 IC will change to low, and then after that the reduced voltage of the C1 below, so internal transistor 8/7 to be disconnected, so the capacitor fills up cycles work on the circuit stop connected and go back to the output pin 3 will not charge or low. Okay, this is button, SPST push button. What is function for the SPST push button? The function is used to open a circuit when pressed and turn off electricity when not pressed. SPST means one push and one throw, only has one input and output. Applications. What is application in space push button, calculator, push button telephones, other mechanical and electronic device, and commercial. Okay, and then for cap. What is function for cap? General non-electric capacitor. Non-electric capacitor are non-polar capacitors. The charge at the ends not disparate. It's positive and negative, and the value starts from the recovered range used to filter out the electrical frequency that appears on the radio, and store the electrical energy and give this energy back to the circuit when necessary. In other words, it changes and discharges the electricity charge stored in it. Okay, besides this, the function of capacitors are as follows. It blocks the flow of DC and permits the flow of AC. DC has big size with the smaller capacitance. It's used both in DC or AC circuits, low or high frequencies. DC has very small leading current high frequency response, up to hundreds of GHz, up to types.
Lady. General lady function effectively block current in one direction while allowing current flow in the other. Example, voltage regulation, reform paper, and voltage shifter.
Okay, and then resistor. What is function for resistor? Generic resistor. Function used to reduce the current in a circuit. This is function the resistor or reduce. Okay. And then example, part of motor controls in power distribution systems or ST loads for generators.
I will explain about function of switch. The function of switch is can disconnect or connect the conducting path in an electrical circuit, interrupting the electronic current or diverting it from one conductor to another. And the example of application of switch is lamp, game machine.
Analyze obtained first voltage, which is battery, circuit, and resistor. V, voltage, and I is a current, and R is a resistance. And second, electric current, which is battery, circuit, and resistor. During is I, V or R. I is a current, V is a voltage, and R is a resistance. And third is power, which is power circuit and battery. V is either V.
Okay guys, this is a view for the measure voltage in the battery. Okay. Okay. And this is we have a VCC. Sorry. And this is we have VCC. VCC the first power in the we use 5 volts. Okay.
Now we will measure the electric current in the battery, and the result is 0.08 ampere. And then we get 5 volt from the voltage in the battery, and then multiply 0.08 ampere obtained from the electric current in the battery, and the result is 0.4 watt. And then input from power is 0.4 watt. And then we get this number from the voltage in circuit, 3.333 volt multiply 0.5 ampere obtained from electric current in the circuit, and then we get 1.665 watt. And then the output of the power is 1.665. Next, we will measure the calculate of the electric current in the second resistor. The voltage in battery is 5 volts, and then the total resistance before reaching the third resistor is 50 ohm plus 30 ohm, and then the result is 80 ohm. And then because the resistor attached series in bahasa is series, and the formula of electric current is the voltage divided by the resistance. And then finally, the electric current at second resistor is 5 divided by 80 equal to 0.0625, and then rounded to 0.06, and then tada, we get 0.06. And then next, we will calculate the amount of voltage that passed through the circuit. The amount of the voltage in a VCC battery is 5 volts. Then first the voltage passes through the first and second resistor, and then is stored by capacitor as much as 2 divided 3, and then times VCC before going to the output or pin 3. So the voltage received by the circuit is 2 divided 3 times 5 equal to 3.3335, and the LED is on because high voltage. And then next we will measure the current in the first resistor. The voltage in the battery is 5 volts. Then the total resistance before reaching the second resistor is 50 ohm. And then the total resistance before reaching the second resistor is 50 ohm. And then the formula of electric current is the voltage divided by the resistance. Finally, the electric current at first resistor is 5 divided by 50 is 0.1. Well, now we will measure the voltage in second resistor. First, we know that the VC or amount of the battery is 5 volts. Then, the voltage will enter through the trigger by filtering as much as 2 divided 3 VCC times VCC and discharge through the key pin past first resistor and second resistor before finally being thrown to the ground. The formula of 555 timers is 1 divided 3 times VCC. The result will be like this. Then this number is the lowest number in the voltage calculation because that LED is off.
Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Danke.